Ever stared at your Trello bill and thought, wait, what am I paying for again? Or maybe your team grew and you need to upgrade, but the whole billing process feels like navigating a digital maze? You're not alone. Trello is fantastic for organizing everything from your grocery list to your next big project. But understanding and managing its billing can sometimes feel a little opaque. Think about it. You started with a free Trello account, maybe just for yourself. Then you added a teammate and suddenly you're exploring the wonders of standard or premium. Perhaps your business scaled and enterprise became the name of the game. Each tier unlocks powerful features, but with those features comes a bill. And just like your projects evolve, your billing needs might too. Maybe you need to add more members, switch to annual billing for a sweet discount, update your payment information because that old credit card finally expired. We've all been there. Or even downgrade your plan if your team's needs have changed. Whatever the reason, knowing how to navigate the Trello billing settings is crucial for keeping your workflow smooth and your budget in check. So, buckle up. In this video, we're going to demystify the Trello billing process. We'll walk through, step by step, exactly how to make those crucial changes, ensuring you're always on the plan that perfectly fits your needs and your wallet. No more guessing games, no more endless clicking through menus. Just clear, concise instructions to get your Trello billing sorted. Let's dive in. The first thing you'll need to do, unsurprisingly, is to log in to your Trello account. Head over to the Trello website and enter your username or email and password. Once you're in, you'll likely land on your main boards page. Now, to access your billing settings, you'll need to find your workspace. In Trello, workspaces are where your boards and members live. The process for accessing billing is slightly different depending on whether you're on a standard/premium workspace or an enterprise workspace. Let's tackle the more common standard or premium workspace first. Look towards the top right corner of your Trello screen. You should see your profile avatar or initials. Click on this. A drop-down menu will appear. Within this menu, you're looking for Workspaces. Hover your mouse over Workspaces, and another menu will slide out, listing all the workspaces you're a member of. Identify the specific workspace whose billing you want to manage and click on its name. This will take you to that workspace's main page. On this page, look for the Settings tab. It's usually located in the top navigation bar, alongside tabs like Boards, Members, and Automations. Click on Settings. Within the workspace settings, you'll find various options related to your workspace. Scroll down until you see Billing. Click on Billing. This will finally take you to your workspace's billing overview page. Here, you'll see a summary of your current plan, the number of members, your next billing date, and your payment method. This is your central hub for making any changes. Now, let's say you want to update your payment information. On the billing page, you should see a section labeled Payment Method. Here, you'll likely see the current credit card or payment method associated with your account. To change it, look for an option like Update Payment Method or an Edit button next to your current payment details. Clicking this will usually prompt you to enter your new credit card information, including the card number, expiry date, and CVV code. Make sure all the details are accurate before saving. You might also have the option to switch to a different payment method if Trello supports it in your region. Once you've entered the new information, click Save or a similar button to update your payment details. Next up, let's talk about adding or removing members. Your Trello bill is often directly tied to the number of members in your paid workspace. To adjust this, navigate back to your workspace's main page, the one with the Boards, Members, Settings tabs. Click on the Members tab. Here, you'll see a list of all the members currently in your workspace. To add a new member, look for a button that says something like Invite to Workspace or a plus icon next to Members. Clicking this will allow you to enter the email address of the person you want to add. You can also control their initial role, admin, normal, observer, during the invitation process. Once they accept the invitation, they'll be added to your workspace, and your billing will likely be adjusted accordingly on your next billing cycle. To remove a member, find the member you want to remove in the list. You should see an option next to their name, often represented by 3 dots or a drop-down arrow. Click on this, and you should find an option like Remove from Workspace. Be absolutely sure you want to remove the member, as they will lose access to the boards within that workspace. Once you confirm, the member will be removed, and again, your billing will be adjusted on the next cycle. Now, what if you want to change your Trello plan? Maybe you've outgrown Standard and need the advanced features of Premium, or perhaps your team has shrunk and you want to downgrade to save costs. On your Workspace's billing page, you should see a section outlining your current plan and options to upgrade or change plan. Clicking on this will present you with the different Trello plans available: Free, Standard, Premium, Enterprise, though Enterprise changes are usually handled differently, as we'll discuss shortly. You can compare the features and pricing of each plan. Select the plan that best suits your needs. If you're upgrading, you'll likely be prompted to confirm the change and may see a prorated charge for the remainder of your current billing cycle. If you're downgrading, the changes will usually take effect at the end of your current billing cycle. Be sure to carefully review the details before confirming any plan changes. Another common billing-related question is about switching between monthly and annual billing. Often, Trello offers a discount for choosing an annual subscription. On your billing page, look for a section that mentions your billing frequency, monthly or annually. You should see an option to change to annual billing or change to monthly billing, depending on your current setting. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.